It's a 2017 Robalo, and one thing I noticed with these Coyote trailers, you see that split right there. So it's split on the left side. This is the rear. That's split. That is starting to split there on the front. And then on the right side, I already had one split. And this is the new style that they send you, which is a lot more solid. So I went ahead and ordered, because that one's starting to go too, you see it there. I went ahead and ordered the 3 steps from Coyote Trailer. When those get in, we'll swap those out. Boats, 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 problems, problems, problems. But if this is the worst I'm having, just to swap those out, and I ain't doing too bad. Alright, so we got with Coyote Manufacturing for the Robalo trailer. Reference those steps that are cracked I showed y'all. Order up some steps. A couple days later, here they are in the box. Let's get them out of here. Oh, there's all the hardware. I'm opening this one up. I'm like, damn, I thought they didn't come with hardware, but they do. Look at that. A hole cut for my side marker light. So that's going to be we'll get these over to the boat and get them installed. That'll be fun getting all those rusty bolts out. And now comes the fun part. Trying to get these crusty, rusty bolts out of here. But we'll give her a shot, see what happens. All right. I seriously doubt this impact's going to work, but well, I don't think I brought a hammer. This is gonna be a bitch. I'm trying to think. I forgot a hammer at the house. And these suckers are in there. I got the nuts off the back. And all I gotta do is there's 2 nuts in here. Up under here, those 2 nuts. Cut that wire to get the light out. But the big thing is just getting these freaking studs out of here. Yeah. Alright, so after much fiddle farting fucking around, after really wrenching on that was a pain in the butt. Finally got them off. But that side will get done tonight. This side, You're solid as a fucking rock, baby. Yes, indeedy. Now I just gotta hook that light up, and then we'll take the other one to the house. So there's the final set. Got that on there. That is rock solid, baby. The only pain in the ass was that tube, and that nut went right into that tube, so that thing's gonna come out, but damn it. I'll think of something on that. But this one is up and solid as a rock. All right, get the cover back on her and head to the house. This is becoming a bastard, but I had to break out the big guns. This is getting biblical, brother. That, my friend, is how we do that. So, this bracket that holds the trailer fender, and they're 50 bucks a pop. So now you get to see how crappy of a welder I am. You know what? That ends the welding tutorial. It is ugly as crap, but it ain't going anywhere. That's the important thing. I can always grind it down and make it look pretty if I really wanted to, but you know what? You're never going to see this. It's up under the fender. Rat poop, well, bird poop welds, I guess you could call those. But she's welded. Alright. Got everything stripped out. Finally. Saw how horrible of a welder I am. But it's welded, it's back together. I'm saving myself 50 bucks. Now let's put it all back together with the new steps and get it ready to throw back on the boat. So there's a new fender ready to go on. All that just to get here. But that's ready to go on. That's welded back up. I mean, it ain't pretty, but it's there, which is what matters. So hopefully tomorrow we'll have a break in the rain. We can get back out to the boat and get this put on and be done with the maintenance. All right, y'all. We got about a couple hours this morning to get this done. So it's gonna start raining, but I'm gonna pull these off and get them fitted up. Probably gonna have to bore out these holes a little bit. I'm gonna use a 3/16 bit, bore those out. I'm gonna pull a little better plate. There we go. That's off of there. Hopefully get a little cleanup, but yeah. So, my recommendation, if you're doing this on a Cayman trailer, prop it up, take the tires off, make life a whole lot easier. Again, jack of all trades, master of none. Should have done it, but I was running out of time. Get that light put in and test it. We're done. Yeah, look at that. Let there be light, and there was. Cool. All right. Done. And I beat the weather. Out freaking standing. Because it wasn't done a moment too soon. It's 9 o'clock, and I know that. And it wasn't a moment too soon. This app would ever open. Look at that coming in. And that dot's where I'm at. Right on the edge. Ooh, we got their marine warning. Rip current statement. Cool. All right, y'all. I'm gonna pack up, head to the house, smash that like and subscribe button. Once this weather clears, I will see you on the water.